Hello and welcome back to Insurance Talk 2025. Today I'll be going over hospital indemnity insurance, what it covers, and how it can help protect you financially. Surprises may be fun for parties, but not so much for household budgets. Hospital stays are costly. If you or a family member are hospitalized due to a sudden accident or sickness, you may struggle financially even if you have a good medical plan. Per recent data, the average cost per day while hospitalized in the United States is $3,025. Your comprehensive insurance doesn't cover everything, leaving you responsible for paying expenses out of pocket. There is no need to spend your life savings on medical expenses when you can get help to cover the high cost of outpatient surgeries or hospitalizations. What is hospital indemnity insurance? It is a supplement insurance plan that pays benefits directly to the insured person for covered hospital stays. You may be wondering how it works. It pays a fixed benefit amount regardless of the provider's coverage, and as I previously stated, the benefits are paid directly to you, which means you can use these funds to pay for costs not covered by your health insurance, such as deductibles, copays or coinsurance, child care while you are hospitalized, or cost of living expenses as you recover, such as a mortgage or a car payment. So, if you enroll in a hospital indemnity plan, and you are admitted into a hospital for a sudden injury, illness, etc., while in the hospital, charges start to add up, and then your hospital indemnity insurance plan pays you a lump sum for every day that you're in the hospital once you file the claim. When is it useful? Well, it can be very beneficial if you have a health insurance policy with limits on hospitalization coverage or pay per day copays like most Medicare Advantage plans. These plans are not a one size fit all. Each one is different and very customizable. Benefits you may be able to elect coverage for are hospital and or skilled nursing facility confinement, emergency room and or urgent care visits, outpatient surgeries, other outpatient services such as rehab, therapy, and diagnostic exams or tests, ambulance rides, lump sum benefits for cancer, terminal illness benefit rider. This is an example of hospital charges. It is a real bill for a patient located in Kentucky. It is only one page. I don't know exactly how many pages there were included for this specific bill, but this is only one page. And I have marked out any personal identifying information. As you can see here, the first charge is for 1 day of room and care, totaling $1,545.34. The second, third, and fourth charges are all for labs from all 3 days, totaling $1,943.30. The fifth charge is for x rays on the day of admission for $256.78. And lastly, you can see here that there are respiratory service charges for all 3 days, totaling $797.70. So on this one page alone, that brings the patient's bill to $4,543.12. And like I said, this isn't even all the pages. So now I must ask you, would you have the money to pay this bill? These plans are for anyone who would like to protect their finances. I've seen it all too often when people have had to file for bankruptcy due to unforeseen accident or sickness. It has even happened in my immediate family, and that's one of the reasons why I highly recommend one of these plans. Unlike your medical plan, there are no deductibles to meet with a hospital indemnity plan. The amount you receive isn't based on the size of your medical bill. This is not a substitute for comprehensive health insurance. So please do not cancel your comprehensive or major medical coverage to get one of these. It can be customized to cover the gaps in any major medical plan, whether it be employer sponsored medical insurance, individual medical insurance, a Medicare supplement policy, or a Medicare Advantage plan. And there may be waiting periods before you can utilize the benefits. Even Medicare Advantage plans have copays and or coinsurance. So I'd like for you to meet John. He is 70 and he has a highly rated Medicare Advantage plan with a $400 per day inpatient hospital care copay for days 1 through 7. He recently experienced a 3-day inpatient hospital stay, and his copay totaled $1,200. So, how did a hospital indemnity plan help him lower his out of pocket costs? Well, John set up a hospital indemnity plan that cost him $21.70 a month. That's just $260 per year. His policy will pay him $400 cash benefit for each day spent in the hospital. In turn, when he spent those 3 days in the hospital, he received $1,200 in cash benefits from his hospital indemnity plan, which he used to cover his copay. Now, I must say that we talked about riders or other benefits that this plan could have built into it. This plan that I am using as an example does not include any additional riders or coverage. This is just specifically covering hospital. The other thing that I would like to mention here is instead of being out of pocket $1,200 to cover those copays, in this instance, he was only out of pocket $260, which is the cost of his hospital indemnity plan premium. That immediately saved him $940. So help supplement your healthcare coverage with hospital indemnity insurance. Receive benefits payment directly to help prevent financial stress. I really hope you learned something today and you reach out regarding any questions. I'm happy to provide free, no obligation quotes and reviews. Thank you, and I appreciate you watching.